Welcome, in front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and in this video I will show you how to fix the ghost touch problem on this tablet. So, the first troubleshooting steps will be removing the case and the protection screen protector from your tablet, then cleaning your device with the dry towel to make sure that there are no debris or moisture on your screen surface. Check if the problem is solved, but if it's not, go to settings, then go to display and brightness section, then select a screen refresh rate, and you can try using different ones and see how they work for you, or just go with the dynamic refresh rate and see if this helps you with your issue. And if it's not, then maybe there is some third-party application that is causing your device to behave like that. So in such case, go to system and updates. First of all, check for software updates. Make sure that you are connected to the network first of all in order to check for available updates. So enable your Wi-Fi, then select the network that you want to connect to, enter your password, click connect, and check for any available updates. And if you do have any, then take your time to download and install them. And if it doesn't help you with the ghost touch issue, go to reset section, select reset all settings and confirm by tapping right here, then wait until the settings are reset. And once you do that, your tablet should return back to default settings, therefore everything should work as it used to. And I hope that these troubleshooting steps helped you, and if they did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.